Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where, for some reason, your Instagram is not letting you post multiple photos at one time. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but the main reasons this happens is usually because of a network issue. So, if I go ahead and make my way over to my own Instagram account, I typically don't post too many multiple photos at the same time, but you will see that when you post multiple photos, that technically takes more bandwidth than something than just like one photo. If you have a really poor connection, Instagram may not, let you go ahead and post those specific photos. Now, this is a very easy fix. All you have to do is connect to a better network, and that should theoretically fix it. If that still doesn't help, or if that still causes some problems, what I would recommend you doing at that point is literally making your way over to your app store. So coming into a panel like this, click search, click up here, and you just want to type in Instagram just like I don't know what happened. And all you want to do here is type here, and you want to go and click update, and you want to make sure your Instagram is up to date on one of the most recent versions. If it's on a super outdated version of Instagram, you're going to have some issues. There could have been some issues with the specific version you're on that Instagram may have already fixed. But if you're on an outdated version, then there's going to be some problems. So you want to go ahead and make sure you're up to date, and as long as that's set, then you're perfectly fine. Now, another thing that I've seen a couple of times, it's not every single day, it's very, very rare, but it can still happen, is if somebody posts a photo that Instagram doesn't natively support. So as you can see, Instagram supports pretty much all photos that you're going to use on your iPhone, JPEGs, PNGs, different things like that. But sometimes there can be an image that looks like an image and even pulls up like an image here, or maybe you have it in your Files app. When you try to upload it, maybe there's some issues there. If there's an issue with one photo or video, it's not going to work out well. So you have to make sure you use the right format of your photo or video. Now, if you're able to pull it up, I would recommend just taking a screenshot of this image, taking a screenshot of whatever image that you want to use, and that should theoretically help you out, and you can post that screenshot and even crop it down or whatever. But there are some cases, where the specific format of that photo or video is either way too large, or maybe it's just not the correct format for Instagram and they can't, compress it down. So that's another thing I would recommend looking into as well. So those are the main ways to go and fix this issue. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything. I also love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.